we would like to we would like to give insights, and feel free to in this webinar, feel free to ask questions if you have something. If you are able to not ask there and even text the message in the message box, so we are here to support you. And at the end of this webinar, you people should be able to appreciate and understand, okay, how IT is helping you people to get into the IT industry. You may be a future software engineers, even though you have done for, because many of the BSc, BCom students, okay, electronics students, everyone is joining for IT. And if you look into the largest industry in India, uh, we have 1.4 billion of population. And when you look for the population and industry, so industry is agriculture is the first sector which is considered as the largest industry. Along with that, the next industry will be the you can say that logistic as well industry is there. And third industry people are talking about is healthcare, and fourth one is education industry. So when you look at that, okay, we will be understanding that, okay, so this big industry to leverage the IT process, IT practices, okay, is required in agriculture, logistic, healthcare, and also in education sector. And along with that, more than 20 plus industries are available in the market. And all these industries are looking for the IT solutions. In today's discussion, I would like to set the context saying that, okay, we are here to leverage you people, to make you people, pharma students, to understand just after completion of our course, it is not just join to the open the medical store or joining as an employee in the medical store. Apart from that, there are many other opportunities also there. But for that, you have to give extra like learning and additional skill set. If you are able to do that, then definitely you can understand the importance of that. Let me share the screen so that you people can understand. Okay, the slide. So, is it my screens are visible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. And today, so as usual, as I said, we are there. We are there from 2008, 2009. We used to call as a Snipe IT solution. And today, we have the outsourcing division, women empowerment division, entrepreneurship division. And along with that, we have a UPL learning platforms also. And also we have our own products in various. And also one of the primary we are known for is research, actually, UPL. So Hub Research Center is also there. So in this course of generation, based on all this experience in 2 decades, we have seen many people who are from BCom, BCA, diploma students, they become a software engineer, because software means what? Let me give a clarity. I assume that since we are from the pharma background, I do not want to talk more about jargons, but I want to simplify today. So what exactly I wanted to convey here, in case, okay, when you look into the IT industry, the first question, if someone is getting married and he may be working for Infosys or Wipro, he may be working as a content writer or a hardware engineer or some cloud engineer. But if you see, look at their wedding card, and you can see that, you can visualize that, okay, they always mention as a software engineer. Then what do you mean by software engineer? The software is a bigger term in the sense you should understand. Software is not only like a programs or a coding. Along with that, there are a lot of aspects you can see that. What are those lot of aspects? I'm talking about like the software is nothing but, okay, it is the question of not only associate the program and also associated documentation. When you say associated documentation, means it starts from like a development, maintenance, managing. Even if you person who is responsible to set up the system is also a software engineer. So that means you should have a clarity. Oh, I have done the pharma course. So I don't have any other opportunity in IT. But after revolution of the AI, and still more opportunities are opened up here actually. So everyone wants to earn more. Okay, everyone wants to uh, get into the IT industry, and colleges are there and they have helped you people to understand the domain, and the using that domain, what are the opportunities are there. For example, if you a BE computer science student, okay, he may be knowing the coding but he doesn't understand the domain. For that, he has to do one more diploma courses to better to understand if he is working in the healthcare division. But if in vice versa, if you are people are also able to learn, okay, like what I mean to say that the IT and both are equal actually. So you people have domain knowledge, you need to learn coding, whereas the BE students who have a coding knowledge, but they have to learn the domain knowledge. So now, because of that, open opportunities is there. And if you look into the the persons or employees currently who are as a project manager or a the vice president of a company, probably 20 years back, we did not have an IT. Okay. And they may be students from like you, maybe from BSc, BCom, but they have an interest in IT. And because of that, today they become a project manager. They grown because of that eligibility criteria is just simple. After 4 years of work experience and exposure, no one will ask, no one will ask, okay, what is the basic degree you have done? Rather, they will ask what kind of skill set you have, what kind of domains exposure you have, and that will give a clarity for you, and that will give a job for you. So that's why it is always open up nowadays era, like everywhere IT has been introduced. If you go to the mathematics, if you go to the statistics department, if you go to the physics department, if you go to the chemistry department, any department, if you go where IT was not there, IT is there everywhere. Just we have to understand and leverage. So what is the meaning of that? So today's webinar, my objective people to, it is just one hour of time if you spend with me. I want to clarify that, okay, how IT is there and how it is going to do that. But the one thing you should be clear that, okay, if you want to become the great Sachin Tendulkar, okay, then appropriately you have to appropriately spend time. And also you have to appropriately, you should you should have some system, okay, and you need to dedicate your time. And then only Sachin Tendulkar, without bat, he cannot become a Sachin Tendulkar, right? And Jawagal Srinath or anyone, Wasim Akram, anyone wants to become a good bowler or Bumrah. So without a ball, okay, by the spending money on ball and training and commitment, he cannot become a successful bowler. So here also it is the same, okay. If you want to get job, if you want to be high earning job, definitely in India. So after Infosys revolution, so everyone got an opportunity to become a software engineer. So because of that, okay, so today term I am talking about how IT is going to leverage this. So if you look at this, okay, please someone has whenever they join, please mute it. Okay. So like when you talk about so for everyone, there is a one of the important thing you should remember: mission, vision, and values. For every organization, it will be there. As a IT people, I always suggest you people also, okay, what is the mission, what is the vision, and what is the value you should have. So when you say vision, so the president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, says that, okay, said that, okay, dream big, okay, think big, okay, that is the vision. Okay, he has, if you dream to become a software engineer, if you want to dream to become a successful IT engineer in the IT market, okay, then you have to take the path. Okay, so that path you have to build the road. First you have to have the vision. I want to be a CEO of some company. I may open my own pharmaceutical the industry where I wanted to give a job for hundreds of people. And for that, what I have to do? If you have that kind of vision, if you think big, then everything falls back to your plate. If without thinking too much, okay, then you can't do that. We should be a dreamer. Okay. I always say that, okay, if there is a fish in a river, okay, and it is like a, if you look at that, okay, if it is moving along with the river, it means fish is dead. It is always flowing against to that, it means fish is alive. So always out of many odds, obstacles, okay, you should have a willpower, commitment, focus, hard work, dedication, and if you have a proper roadmap, then definitely you can able to differentiate with others. Okay, so for that reason, I'm asking you here, people, once you learn, once you decide, first decide the vision, what you want to be in next 5 years, next 10 years, next 15 years, next 20 years, what is my vision should be. If you are able to articulate in that way, then definitely the path is there, road is there. You can build any path as per your expectation. So that's why vision is much more important. Whether other person believe or not, you should believe in yourself. Then rest of the things will become an history. So that's why always I used to say that, okay, if you really, really believe yourself, and system will fall back towards you. That's why always I used to tell, okay, without hard work, okay, without dedication, without commitment, without focus, okay, you cannot achieve anything actually. So if you in pharma, is there a possibility to become a CEO of the company? Yes, you can become the CEO of the company. So the some you might have heard that some failed candidate opened a startup and become a $1 billion company. So that means he is not failed, but actually what he has done, his vision, his roadmap, he has built around it. Okay. So I am expecting after this session, okay, you people to inspire yourself, okay, towards that kind of big vision. You should, after going back to your home, and you should write up saying that I want to be some XYZ and I want to achieve. Don't think very small. That is the meaning actually. So vision. What about mission? I am talking about, okay, mission in the sense, okay, like to reach the vision, okay, you have to do showcase your commitment. That is mission statement. What daily activities or routine activities I do it is your mission statement. If you are able to think about certain big, I want to be a CEO of a Google, then mission statement should be like, you should be innovative, you should be a good learner, you should have the leadership qualities. Like that, you have to fill the whatever the weaknesses are there, you have to identify at the earliest and start addressing it. Then the system will fall back towards you. Then system will start following you. So that's the reason mission is important. The third point I told you is values. So what is values? Values in the sense, okay, we are talking about whether you are going in the natural path, or the right path, I can say that, or you are using the shortcuts. Please understand, there is nothing can be gained from the shortcut. Okay. If you are in our journey, if you want to be successful, if you want to reach certain heights, okay, always you should believe. So you don't compare yourself with others, whether that person is whoever the person has achieved. You may be thinking that, okay, he never done the hard work, but the next day he become a billionaire. So it is not like that. Okay, we see only the success part of it, and the rest of the part we have not seen. Even Infosys kind of companies, they started in 1978, they closed, but once again, 1980, they have opened up. And then 1992, after 12, 15 years of journey, they could able to visualize the Infosys. Okay, Infosys in the sense, IT revolution has happened. And because of him, we are very much grateful today that the IT industry was set up in Pune and the Mumbai and Bangalore. So this is the credit goes to them, because they have put lot of 15 years. So that's they are the dreamers. Okay, we should think like that actually. So when you wanted to do that, so now without digitization, without the IT touch, you cannot achieve in this modern era, and that is a mandatory part of it. Okay, and I have a grateful to your college today. They have given opportunity to discuss on that. And when you're talking about that, like why people are like what are the challenges are we facing actually? Why are we everyone can't be a software engineer? Every year, more than 10 lakh plus people will come to Bangalore in search across all over India in search of IT jobs. out of which around maybe because we don't have exact statements, but around 1.4 to 1.5 lakh people may get job in realized in Bangalore. Okay. And if you look at that, okay, that out of 10 people, only one person will get it actually. Why they the who which but whether they are from the IIT, whether they are from the highly qualified college, or whether they are from the computer science background, whether they are from electronics background, exactly we can't say that, okay, because it is a relevance technology, it is a skill, and we will say that. For example, in my company, assume that I need a the React developer, front end user interface developer. However, he is good at academic career, but he doesn't have the relevant skill set like a React Node.js. Then definitely, obviously, whether he is from computer science, whether he is from electronics, whether he's from a BSc BCom, it doesn't matter for us. So what matters is what kind of skill he has. Based on that, we'll take it. That's why majority of time, even though some people they do diploma, but they get IT industry very easily. It is only because of that relevance of the technology we have to do. So we have to relevance of the technology. So so for that, what is there? Many people conduct training because in 2 decades, what we have seen is okay, just by learning will not help. Actually, we have to go beyond that. You have to understand the what we call it as a the technical competency, and after that you should do so the mini projects. Then you should get exposure into a live project. Okay, and then definitely it will you are eligible to get into IT irrespective of your discipline actually. And why people still they are struggling, it is only because of that the students are not making the right path, right decision at right time. Probably that may be the problem actually. Okay, so quality, so always IT, always we believe for example, we ourselves will tag that, okay, I am from non-IT, I may not able to learn IT. Okay, but after 10 years you will see that out of the 60 or 70 candidates of your classmates, maybe 5 6 candidates to become a software engineer. Okay, how it is possible? Some people have got a proper mentorship and guidance, and because of they get into the placement. Okay, so that's why direction is most important for everyone, and I am expecting that, okay, like you understand the importance. Today's webinar will give you clarity on that. Just if you think towards it, we are here to support you. Now, if you look at that, okay, the challenges are the current market. We are not getting the right kind of resources. People are always industries are complaining, saying that if I hire BE computer science and that person assume that they hired in Siemens or Philips in healthcare division, they don't have what is healthcare knowledge itself, prerequisite knowledge. But no one will teach them, okay, because in the academic only the IT related courses will be there. But who will teach the domain? They will try, they come, they join, they understand. So domain will play the things. For you, you yourself want to decide to get into such industries. Domain you have, but only thing is clarity, just programming you have to learn so that you can start looking towards it. So that is why the nowadays people are the mismatch of curriculum relevance, people are telling that, but it's not mismatch actually, but the way of objectivity with the direction what we are going to do is much more important. Okay, and another important challenge is lack of accessibility to experts. So I worked for more than a decade to the IT industry. So when I worked, I got an exposure actually. So that kind of experts are not available to teach, but in our organization, we have that kind of facilities. And lack of accessibility to experts is also a one problem actually. Real-time infrastructure, what do you mean by real-time infrastructure is daily, what kind of activities is going in IT industry. In that kind of culture, if you are able to build yourself, then definitely you can get a right job. Okay, and continuous engagement is most important. Because of all these challenges, okay, we wanted to address as a UPL, and we started these things more than a 2009. Okay, we started, and so 2008 it was a concept, and finally we are nearly completed more than a decade. Just I have added here, okay, something with related to the publication of the research paper. And if you look into that, US is the playing the topmost, okay, or China is in topmost. The reason behind is most of the research means, okay, it may be from your pharma drugs division maybe, or it may be some any other medical division maybe, it may be logistic division maybe. But finally at the end, we should realize that, okay, the more and more research people are spending, more and more people are activating towards it in the academic career, those countries are economically growing. Even India is now reached to a nearly fourth largest economy and trying for third largest economy. But it is only because of that we people started looking towards it. So that means everyone who is working in their job, earlier days we used to do just whatever the task has been assigned, we used to do that. But now we have to think that as a owner, can I do some differentiation to the others? So if you think in that direction, definitely for everyone, paths are available. So basically, when we are talking about an IT, the practical exposure, online learning, mock interview, practice interview. So everything matters a lot. We are here to do that. Okay. When you look at your journey, because since you people are from pharma industry, okay, so what kind of IT solutions people are working is nothing but, okay, drug discovery and development, researching and developing a new medicine to treat a disease. Because after AI revolutions, okay, so we know that, okay, like a drug discovery during COVID, how much we struggled. Okay, finally, we are able to use it. Okay, and we are self sustained model we have. Because of that we have succeeded. It means that, okay, so everywhere now AI has been introduced, and because of that, okay, you people have an idea about programming, and definitely it is not a rocket science. I'm clearly telling you, rocket science. It is not a rocket science. It is simplified. That the coding which you used to do earlier in the 2001, 2002, and today it is a different ball game. Okay, earlier we used to, for setting up the machine itself, we used to take 1 day, 2 days, because that much effort we used to put actually. But today's era, it is not like that. Okay, infrastructure, resources, guidelines, so all are available. Only thing is you have to spend time. The drug discovery and development, what I am talking about. So researching, developing a new medicine to treat a disease. So there's a research kind of learning. If you have, then you can make a big difference. Clinical trials, okay, testing a drugs for safety. So that is also most important. Okay, how to reduce that, okay, number of trials. Okay, manufacturing large scale productions of medicines and vaccines, where we have to manage that, okay, that system. Because every like street you can find one medical shop, but how many drugs are coming to the market, and for which disease, what kind of disease, the tracking is not a small journey. Okay, this cannot be done by computer science students or something like that. The people from pharma should look you towards it. Okay, there is an opportunity here to how to, if I enter to the companies, big drug companies, okay, or manufacturing industries, okay. So how, if they ask you to use the ERP product or a software product, okay, then definitely you should have an idea about that. So in that situation, so you have to think out of box solutions, okay, and in that situation, so you need to have the IT leverage, okay. Regulatory compliance, you know that majority of the guidelines, I do not require to tell all these things. You people know better than us actually. Regulatory compliances, how much is important, especially in the pharma industry. And similarly, not only that, nowadays so many hospitals are there, pharmacies are there, doctors are there. They need the digital marketing and support, promotions. They required. How to brand is more important. So those related courses also are IT only. And products what you use are IT only. So biopharmaceuticals, okay, developing a biological drugs like insulin, like this, many the solutions currently what we have. Okay, in the pharma industries, people are looking into it, okay? They need a domain knowledge, since you people have a domain knowledge, okay? And you are the first people to get into the IT, and especially in the healthcare industry, and make sure that, okay, the utilization of IT can take to not only in financially, but also it will be a social contribution. And like this, many, that major players, I do not require to get into this because you people know better than me. See that these are all the pharma industry. If you want to get into that, just pharma course, but you don't know how to handle the ERP, how to handle, do not understand simple script to be written, then you will be working as a, from the day one, what role and what salary you are earning, till the end, you will be in the same journey. So nowadays it is a competition era, and when you have a competition, you have to understand quickly. You should make unique proposition compared to others. Then people should identify, okay, this person, this college students are much more different than others. Not only they have a pharma, but they also have the IT touch. So that can give a leverage the jobs for you. Now, if you look into that, okay. So anyone has any questions, please post it. Anyone has any questions? Able to follow at least? Please message me yes. Yeah, just message, type it. Sakshi, yeah. Anyone else? Okay. Rutuja Binnar, okay, yes. What about others, please? Okay. Just mention if you are able to follow. Okay, definitely next 30-35 minutes, okay, you will be able to get to Neeraj, okay, Ankita, okay, yeah. So please be proactive. So definitely this platform will be useful for you, okay. Tanvi, okay, yeah. Now, if you don't have any questions, let's proceed to the next understanding where pharma and IT, okay, where and all the pharma and IT has been connected. As I said, these are the general words like a drug discovery, clinical trials, okay, regulatory complaints, manufacturing, patient care. Okay, these are all the terms you people know better than me because since you people are in the same industry. But when you come to the AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning in drug discovery, instead of the person who sit and study it, there are many artificial intelligence algorithms are there, and that can reduce like your timeline. Okay, just if you have to learn the matter of a fact is what is artificial intelligence. Okay, AI can predict uh, potential drugs, molecules, and their effects. Okay. Yes, what is artificial intelligence? Let me clarify that. Okay, when you talk about artificial intelligence, artificial means, okay, other than a human, that is nothing but a machine. That is called artificial. Intelligence means capability, capacity. So other than human intelligence, if the machine is able to build the solution like a drug discovery and drug prediction, instead of radiologist look the report and say that, okay, what disease he has, the system should give the idea. When you give a x-ray or some the report, if you upload, it should be able to scan and it should be able to come up with a conclusion. So that kind of solutions nowadays people are heading towards it. So that is nothing but artificial intelligence we are talking about. Big data analytics in clinical trials, because when we release, before release to a market any drugs, okay, you people have to conduct clinical trials. They people may be conducting on various animals. You have to take the government approval on these things actually. Since we have a rich history of health, if you are able to maintain as a data, and we can develop the insights actually. So that there also IT is leveraged, and that is your industry only. And similarly, if you want to maintain the healthcare records, okay, and how to manage that, okay, that is also a part of pharma industry actually. And nowadays, latest trend, people are talking about the blockchain because of highly security to maintain the data. Okay, and so that is one thing. Similarly, many the smart devices came into a picture for to monitor the health diseases. Okay, and many real time the IoT devices are available in the market, okay? And if you want to understand, if you want to work in such companies, okay, such team, your kind of people is badly needed, okay? So that is why called as IoT smart healthcare devices. Regulatory compliance and cybersecurity, because healthcare data is much more important and the process is very stringent, and there will be regulations on that. Majority of people, they don't have an idea about that, but you people have. Many IT industries, you can work as a compliance manager in the later part, okay? If you get into the IT industry, and ERP, CRM for pharma business operations, okay? Many SAP, Oracle, Salesforce, these type of tools are available to how to using that, how to manage in the healthcare industry. That is also a pharma with IT I am talking about. It means that if you touch anything in the healthcare industry, your job opportunities are more than what you are looking for. Just open a one like a medical store and you sit there. You are not there meant for that. Okay, you are meant for more than that. If you have more and more knowledge in IT, and more opportunity will come. And for that, what you have to prove is first you have to understand, then opportunity automatically it will come actually. Now, if you look into this, okay, just out of curiosity, just I wanted to give an idea that okay, pharma in, students like what kind of job roles they can expect in the market. So one is clinical data analyst I am talking about. What is clinical data analyst is talking about? The clinical data or trials, what we are talking about. We are going to assess drug effectiveness, safety. Okay. What are the skill set they have to learn? These are the skill set: SQL, Python, R programming, okay, statistical analysis tools we have to learn, data analytics. If they are able to learn this, they can apply for clinical data analyst, okay. Usually average salary will be 3 lakh to 6 lakh. Packages will be there in the current market. Bioinformatics this uses computational tools such as analyze the biological and genetic data, like supporting for drug discovery and precision medicine. So it is 4 lakh to 8 lakh, I can say that. Healthcare, in that we have a data scientist. Okay, majority of time people comes from the actually here in data scientist in healthcare, they should come from the medical background actually. They are from your kind of industry, or people should come from the the actual medical doctors should come here. Only they have to learn that the tool or programming language is AI and ML. Since we don't have the people, actually engineers will come and study, understand. For example, if you want to analysis of tumor, okay, or breast cancer, okay, these are the deadly diseases, okay. If you want to identify how to early detection should happen and how to analyze, what is the solution to be given. If I wanted to do that nowadays, people are building the AI and ML models, artificial intelligence, other than human beings, and machine level, the coding they are doing, the learning programming language like a Python, TensorFlow, and NLP, and helps drug research. And these people, we call it as a data scientist. You can also one among them try for this, okay. But only thing is you have to, apart from the knowledge what you have to build on top of it to reach that, okay, and you have to learn all those things actually. So in the IT market, currently 6 lakhs to 12 lakh people pay. Majority of time, 100 resumes comes who have done the data scientist, but only one or two people are efficient and able, because they have to spend a lot of time in understanding the coding. If you have hard work, then everything falls back. That's why always I keep saying the Mahabharata story. In the Mahabharata story, Lord Krishna is talking to a Pandavas directly, and Pandavas are considered as a honest people, good people, and still then they have been expelled for 12 years plus 13 years to the forest. Okay, and once Narada is curious about them, and he asked them, okay, so why? Because even though they are favorite of you, and why they have been expelled for the forest? So the Lord Krishna says very simple word, okay? Like, see, if you look at the hard work done by Karna, Duryodhana, Bhishma, Duryodhana, since they are not, they are efficient. Duryodhana has practiced more than Bhima, just targeting Bhima. So it means that he has done the hard work. And Karna targeted Arjuna, and he did much more hard work than Arjuna. Now I am a god. When I say god, I cannot do injustice. Okay, for me, everyone is equal. So in 13 years of journey, these people went to the forest. They did a lot of the what we call it is a penance and what we call it tapas. Okay, they got various boons. Okay, and finally they made them eligible to reach the stage they can surpass Kauravas. That time God has given a support in 18 days of war. That is the achievement. If you think in that direction, the no if you are really if you are able to put the hard work, then definitely path will be there. Okay, but only thing is you have a self belief. Okay, if you have a self belief, okay, then you can do many wonders in your life. And for that I always say that, okay, just you have to, I want to be a healthcare data scientist. You cannot just think that, okay, healthcare data, since I have learned a domain, simply I learn one simple coding, okay, I will be a data scientist. No, not like that. So you have to put right effort and right approach, and also get a good exposure. Then everything will fall back. So no one will give 6 lakhs or 12 lakh since you have done a PE computer science, or the first rank holder in pharma industry or something like that. The what is required for relevant things you have to learn, and you have to master in that, and then everything will fall back. So that's the reason here the healthcare data and scientist also you can become, bioinformatics specialist also you can become, clinical data analyst you can become. If I want to work on pharma supply chain, you can be, okay. And medical AI engineer, if you want to become, you can do that, okay. A health informatics and specialist, you can become regulatory affairs, okay. Cyber security specialist in pharma IT security, you can do that. Like this laboratory information management system, you can work, okay. There are a lot of things to learn and do the work. Only thing is we have to spend time, give time, and we have to build the roadmap towards it. Then I don't think so. Any challenges now? Why not get the job, especially in the pharma industry? You can get a pharma jobs. Only thing is you have to give the right amount of time, right hard work, right mentorship. Then it can take to a next level. Since you people already having the domain knowledge, definitely this will make sense actually. And if whatever the skill set I'm mentioning here, if you learn like a Python, SQL, R programming, okay, data analytics, machine learning, if you are able to do that, then rest of the things, then if you involve in the some projects and start working in the live project, okay, then that exposure can take you to the next level. So this is, if you look at our IT courses, actually speaking, other than Scrum Master and like all the other courses you if you can do, if you are interested, okay. If you want to become a software engineer, Java full stack is there, okay. Python full stack we call it as. It may be a buzzword, but it is not a rocket science. Initially, everything is difficult, okay. And I always believe that hard work never fail, okay. If you are thinking that direction, then it will be there. DevOps, development plus operations, mean and month stock, data science, artificial intelligence and data analytics. All these courses are much more important for you people. If any one of these courses, if you are prominently, if you do that, then definitely you can reach to the stage. This matrix will give you a lot of insight to you people. Okay. So if you look at this, okay, always if you look at the matrix in your college or anywhere, if you look into that, some people are high capability and low consistency. High capability in the sense you are always thinking that you can do much wonders, but you will not do. Low consistent. Why? You are not ready to spend time with your learning. You are daily, you may write on the paper saying that, okay, I am capable, I am smart. You may be believing that, but you are not putting the right hard work. That is a concept. One day you read, second day you will discontinue. So like that, if you do, definitely that much me percentage, as a logically speaking, 35% of people are there. Some people are low capability and low consistency. These people are like in a out of 100 students, low capability means they never put effort only. Okay, they believe that, okay, underestimate themselves. Okay, such people I am talking about low capability and low consistency. Low capability and high consistency. They have a less capability, but they are ready to do the hard work. Some people are consistently, they are keep doing it. Hard workers. Hard work never fails. Okay. 35% people, such people also there. Only high capability, high consistency. They are people who got a ranks and they achieve like a Virat Kohli. These are the people, 10% people. But everyone wants to reach this stage. Everyone wants to reach this stage. For that, what is required? A training, skill adjustment, right mentorship, right roadmap. If you have that, then definitely you can reach this. But only thing is, you should be in a position to put your 100% effort, then definitely you can reach to this stage actually. If you are able to this stage, the job is yours. If you either, if you'll be in one of this corner, probably because of that you could not able to reach this stage. And if you are not able to reach this stage, then definitely you cannot able to achieve anything. So always your effort towards not like a marks. It is you should capability. You have to build the high capability. How high capability will come? So by studying more, understanding the skill, learning in the right direction, and continuous effort. That is a consistency. So if you are able to do that, then definitely you can reach this stage. So to reach this stage, the our kind of organizations are you can undergo proper training, proper mentorship. Okay, then definitely you can reach this stage. Now, as our industry, okay, when we are talking about, okay, we will be having internship, student internship, placement internship, coding boot camps, capstone live project. All these things are part of this. Okay, we can be any one among these technologies. If you Java full stack development, .NET full stack development, Python full stack development. If you the product testing on healthcare industry, that is automation testing, data science and AI, where you are building the drug discovery kind of solutions. Okay, and if you want to build the pharmacy kind of applications, then front end web development and machine learning for better understanding the analytics analysis of the current system, then these are the technologies you have to leverage to understand this. And usually what we do is very simple. Okay, whoever joins, okay, any training program, the 2 months we conducted training, monthly assessment we do it, and we also give the capstone project, mock interview, job openings, then certificates, and this is how our cycles keep running, and we are here to do that actually. And before logically, if you the conclude, so if you look at the like a the use cases, okay. Now if you go back here, any the Flipkart kind of organization, so Flipkart or something like that. So these are the websites you can see that are any Apollo Pharmacy, something like that, something like this. Okay, something like a quick this one. Okay, so here this type of websites if I wanted to build, then we need a technology like the front end technologies, but you should have a domain knowledge. What is stomach care, cardiac care, diabetes care, oral care? Okay, these type of the solutions you should know. Okay, this can be done, but you have to learn the IT skill set on these things and finding the doctors. All these things, if you look at this, okay, this type of the solutions if you want to build, we are talking about those things. We are talking about not only the opening a store. Now there's the era of modern online stores, and if when they are talking about online stores, okay, you have to understand the importance of the technology here. So for that reason, okay, if you wanted to learn this designing this, these are called graphic designer. And the building this type of website, we call it as a front-end developers. And writing the logic on this, we call it as a Java or .NET or Python developers. And if I want to store, we call it as a database, these things. And if you have the enough data, then we are going to talk about data scientist or analytics, data analyst, analysis of the data. Okay, that is what we are talking about, a data analytics. So like this, if you start looking into that, the various kinds of jobs are available associated with these technologies. When I talk about use cases, from the front end to a backend to the database and data analysis and data discovery. So all this belongs to a IT. But only thing is you people have confined to the healthcare industry, healthcare domain. The only thing is you have to have a additional touch up of the technology. If you are having that, then definitely you can have the job opportunities in the IT market. For that, what is required? You have to spend more time on building the roadmap, understanding that, then definitely you can make a wonders in your life. Since you are blessed to be in the healthcare domain, it is never going to die, okay, forever. But one thing is everyone wants to dream big, so that has to be there almost. And also you have to learn the coding platforms. And when you learn the coding things, okay, the rest of things will be easy. Is it coding is very tough? No, coding is not at all a tough. If you want to understand, usually some basic coding programs we do here also. If someone go to the YouTube, okay, we will be having the basic coding also the freely available, okay, and where we teach them, okay, help them, okay, please go through that. So for example, UPL snipe, if you type this, you can see that, okay, there are if you go to these are some of the things are the basic coding no one will teach, okay, but for example, if basic coding and programming, so this is for the beginners, okay, so anyone starts with this here, they start with here, okay. So these sessions, if you subscribe to this channel, okay, and always we give the fundamental these things, okay. uh, Fundamental the sessions will be there, you can leverage. So from this you will get what is coding, how coding is can be leveraged. You will be able to get it if you subscribe this channel. So definitely you can able to understand this. Similar to that, okay, once they join, we used to give the LMS access. Not only just we conduct online session, okay, for like till you for 6 months, for example, if you want to learn, okay, we also give support you people to okay, we have a online platform for any courses. Sessions also we conduct, but we expect you people to undergone any training. For example, it may be the project management, testing, data science, or Java full stack, front end, and apps can be downloaded, can be used, okay. So all kind of courses we have, okay, people can make use of it once they enrollment to our program. And definitely you can understand what it is actually. And usually, so you can learn the technology in deep. Along with that, we conduct the online sessions actually. And that will give a clarity for you that, okay, what are the jobs? Since you people are from pharma, so based on mentorship, we will tell you, okay, which course is relevant, because there will be an induction program, whoever joins, okay. And in that induction program, some people are good at ERP product, some people are good at the AI kind of environment. We make a proper plan and roadmap for them so that they can learn and they can work towards it, and finally they get a job. And there are many various type of courses also there. And so if you look into that, so we conduct these type of different types of program. Internship, if someone joins for this one, and if you have at least some online training, mock test, capstone project, okay. But the internship, they cannot work on live project because you have only 2 months, 3 months time. It is very difficult, okay. Mock test project certificate will issue. And also we keep posting job openings. There is a placement division. They will take care that they will collect the resumes, and they start flooding towards a associated company, because you understand that, okay, we are already there in the 2 decades, and it means that we have a lot of connections. For the training, the specific training related to your course, maybe AI or a front end or the back end or a data UI UX design or digital marketing, okay. So the relevant courses, if you do that, then that is a online training, mock test, capstone project, and mock test certificate, and we issue it. But there is a program called developer program. What it is actually a developer program? You are not only undergone training, but if you are available full time, okay, you can, after the training program, you can available to your developer program. You will given a chance to work in the live project. So you will be working as a team member in the project, and also that experience certificate will help you showcasing that, okay, till you get a job, you can be here in this model. And but your contribution will be measured. Project manager will be there. Domain also you will learn, and whether you are at the data science side or a front end side or a that any side you can do that. This is called a developer program actually. Actually, it is it is a one good almost it is a 6 months you can spend here actually. And industrial readiness program, it is usually we conduct for campus preparation for the interviews for 6 months. So that is the program we are talking about here. And career bridge, this is not for you people. So I'm not talking about this, okay? And PG diploma course is nothing but 8 semester, 3 semester course. The students like you can enroll, learn 8 months, 9 months, complete course from basic coding to the, but here also there will be exam, written test, everything will be there. It is just like a college, and but you have to complete 3 semester, 500 marks you have to clear, but you have to spend time. Okay, 3 semester. Last semester you will be given a chance to work in our projects. Okay, where you will be working in our project, and you can do that. So any of these courses are much more interested. If you are interested, you can join now. But only thing is, so commitment is important. Hard work is important if you want to be, because no one will pay the here minimum package when we start with 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakhs. It is only possibility when you have to just no one will get you a job. But if you want to get a job, you have to first build your eligibility criteria, and then there are a lot of people, lot of ecosystems are there to support you. And with this, in this way, you can able to leverage yourself to move towards it actually. So these are the different types of courses are available. And whoever is interested, Amit sir will be sending to your college to fill the Google form. You can enroll their program, okay? So based on that, then we conduct a one more induction program, and I will try to see your resume, which is relevant for you. And then according to that, we will suggest the career path. Then after that, we'll start giving access to our LMS access, and evening after 5 p.m. there will be online sessions will be there. And that is how we have planned. And every quarter we used to take 350 to 500 students, and that is how we are doing it. So any questions here? Any questions, please? You can post also. Do not hesitate to ask questions. Okay. Uh, please ask questions if you have any questions. Please message me in that language. Yeah, Amit.
Hello.
Yeah. Just you can brief in Marathi if you want.
ओके. ज्यांना कुणाला काही डाऊट असेल किंवा काही रिलेटेड टू देअर करिअर, की इन फ्युचर कुठला करिअर सिलेक्ट करू शकतो फार्माशी रिलेटेड आणि जे सरांनी सांगितलेले त्या प्रकारे, तर ते कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकतात. त्यांना पर्सनली डिटेलमध्ये सगळं सांगितलं जाईल की त्यांचं करिअर कसं बूस्ट होऊ शकते इन फ्युचर.
You just tell how you are supporting for job opportunities and all those things, and give us some fair idea in Marathi so that they can understand. Just brief about for 2-3 minutes.
ओके. आमच्याकडे जॉब ओपनिंगचे एक पोर्टल्स आहेत ज्याच्यामध्ये एन नंबर ऑफ जॉब्स येतात रिलेटेड टू फार्मा, मेडिकल, ॲज वेल ॲज IT इंडस्ट्री, टीचिंग फील्ड, या सगळ्या फील्डचे ना जॉब्स ओपनिंग्स येतात. प्रत्येक कुठेही गेलं तरी ते पहिले एकच विचारतात की तुमच्याकडे स्किल्स काय आहेत किंवा त्या स्किल्सचे रिलेटेड एक्सपिरियन्स काय, त्यांचं जे पण प्रोडक्ट आहे. बस प्रत्येक गोष्टीसाठी ना फक्त एक सर्टिफिकेटवर डिपेंडंट राहू शकत नाहीये. त्याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला हे पण पाहिजे, एक स्किल्स पाहिजे, अपडेटेड स्किल्स. आणि आता अशी इंडस्ट्री झालेली आहे की कुठल्याही एका टेक्नॉलॉजीवर डिपेंडेंट नाहीये. भले ते फार्मा इंडस्ट्री असू दे, IT इंडस्ट्री असू दे, किंवा एज्युकेशन इंडस्ट्री असू दे, हेल्थकेअर असू दे, कुठल्याही इंडस्ट्री एका टेक्नॉलॉजीवर डिपेंडेंट नाही. त्याच्यामध्ये कंटिन्युअस चेंजेस होत राहतात. त्या चेंजेससाठी तुम्हाला पण त्या हिशोबाने शिकून घ्यायला गरजेचं आहे. त्याच्यासाठी कंटिन्युअस स्वतःमध्ये अपस्किल करायला गरजेचं आहे. हे टेक्नॉलॉजी भले तुम्हाला असं वाटत असेल की आउटसाइड आपल्या इंडस्ट्रीसाठी रिलेटेड नाहीये, पण हायर पोस्टला जाण्यासाठी ह्या गोष्टींची गरज आहे. जसं तुम्ही जसे जसे पोझिशन गेन करत जाल, त्या टेक्नॉलॉजीज पण फार इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. तसं आता आम्ही जे मार्केटिंग बघत असलं तरी आमचं मार्केटिंग फील्ड असं मार्केटिंगचा कुठला कोर्स नसतो, पण त्या एरियाचा त्या फील्डचं ते नॉलेज फार गरजेचं आहे. सेम वे जेव्हा तुम्ही तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जाल, तिथं एकच जॉब नाहीये. तुम्हाला पॅकेजिंग पासून सगळे कामं यायला पाहिजे. कुठल्या फार्मा इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये पण गेलंय तर रॉ मटेरियल पर्चेसिंग पासून पॅकेजिंग पर्यंत, मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग अँड पॅकेजिंग पर्यंत आणि डिस्ट्रीब्युशन पर्यंत या सगळ्यांचे नॉलेज यायला पाहिजे. डिस्ट्रीब्युशन असंच नसते, त्याच्यासाठी ट्रॅकिंग असते, बिझनेस अनालिस्ट असतात, ते सर्वे करावा लागतो. या सगळ्या गोष्टी या टेक्नॉलॉजी थ्रू शिकायला लागते आणि त्या टेक्नॉलॉजीचा सपोर्ट मिळाला की ते वर्क मोर एनहान्स होत आहे. ओके, तर तुम्ही त्याच्यावर विचार करा आणि जे आमचे गुगल फॉर्म दिलेले त्याच्यामध्ये डिटेल्स फिल करून पाठवा. ओके
Okay. Thank you, Amit. Okay. So thanks a lot for all of you for joining today's session. Thank you once again to your college as well, to all your management, and thanks a lot.